In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a client from the clients list. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm the removal safely, so your client list stays clean and up to date. First, open your Workspace and click Clients. This takes you to the central list where all client records are displayed. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct account or project area if your platform supports multiple workspaces. The Clients page is your hub for finding, reviewing, and managing every client entry. Next, find the client you want to remove in the list. You can scroll through the table, or if your interface has a search or filter option, use it to narrow the results quickly. Before you proceed, double-check that you've selected the correct record. Look for matching identifiers, such as the client's display name or any distinctive details shown in the row, to avoid deleting the wrong entry. If the list is long, refining by status or sorting alphabetically can help you spot the right client faster. Once you've located the correct client, move to the right side of that row and click the Delete icon, which looks like a small trash can. This action targets only that specific client. If you don't see the Delete option, you may not have the necessary permissions, so you might need to contact an administrator to proceed. After you click the Delete icon, a confirmation prompt will appear. This step is there to prevent accidental removals. Read the message carefully, as it may outline what will happen to any data tied to the client. If you're certain you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. Keep in mind that in many systems, deleting a client is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to pause and verify that the client's information is no longer needed for reporting, billing, or audit purposes. Once you confirm, the system processes the request and removes the client. You'll typically see the entry disappear from the list right away, and you may also see a brief success notification. If the list doesn't refresh immediately, try reloading the page to see the update. That's it. Client removed. By clicking Clients, finding the correct record, selecting the trash icon on the right, and confirming the deletion, you keep your data tidy and accurate. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to